Monkey.
So today we are on our way up to Tony Banks, which is a custom exhaust sort of place. I think they do some other little bits as well, but the main thing that they are known for is doing exhausts. I want to apologise firstly for the lighting. It is dark, it is early, it's currently 20 minutes past 6, so can't really do too much about that unfortunately, but you get the gist, you can hear me, so that's all that matters really. But yeah, it's located up in Leeds, the Tony Banks garage, we'll call it, that we're going to. So it's about an hour and 40-minute drive for me, so it's not too bad, sort of standard stuff really. What we're actually having done, this is in the Lexus by the way, just so you know what's going on. 350's obviously got everything like that done to it already. Just having the back box done currently. I've got it invisible now because it's very dark, but I'll continue to talk for now just to add dialect to what the video is basically. So the plan is just to go for, well, it is just a back box for now, just basically getting rid of the back box and then get some nice tips on it. I'll explain sort of how that all works I suppose. I don't know how much I can film when I get there. It might literally be a case of I get there, drop the car off, and then I can get it after, and then I'm like, oh, this is what I've done. It might be that, or if I'm possibly lucky, I might be able to show some little bits. I don't really know, to be honest, so yeah. Right, so we have just picked the car up. Not really been able to film anything, so it was basically just sort of a drop it off, pick the tips, and then I was off on my way sort of thing. I had to go around Leeds city centre, which I've not been around before, just sort of to waste some time whilst they're doing it. So it is the back box delete that they've done. I'll show you some pictures or clip I suppose in a bit of the exhaust, what they look like. So far, it's not super loud. I think the Corsa was louder, if you're familiar with the Corsa, but then at the same time the Lexus is like really sound deadening, so I can't tell how loud it is outside the car. I put the window down slightly and you can hear it a bit, but I'm not too sure. I mean, you can hear like a little bit of soundage, but it's hard to tell. I mean, no, I've seen videos of back box deletes and they do sound quite loud, but inside the car it isn't that bad. As long as it's good outside the car, that's all I can really mind about. Inside the car I want it to be nice anyway for my daughter, so it's not too loud for her. I mean, when you pull off, if you go for a little bit, you can hear it. It's like, I'm just intrigued to see what it sounds like outside. But yeah, it's not too bad, I don't think. I've got to cruise back now, so it's like an hour or so journey. I'll get a clip in a bit. When I get on the motorway, I'll do another clip just to basically update you on how it is on the motorway, because that's quite a major thing for me at least. Of how, I mean, when you're doing that, that's 2.5 to 3, just rolling slowly up to that. It's like, whoa. But then after that, it seems to get quieter. It's weird.
In a quarter of a mile, straight on at the roundabout, take second exit.
Not sure. It's an odd sound. I think it's just because of how much sound deadening the Lexus has got. I'll put the back windows down, I'll put one of them down. Can't do the other back one apparently. Put them all down, apart from the back one that I can't put.
Straight on at the roundabout, take second exit.
pretty good off the limiter, at least. Probably shouldn't be driving erratically around the city of Leeds. What was a tunnel thing? It was a bridge. Ah. That was cool. I think it's a lot louder than what I think it is, but it's because the Lexus is really sounded in. I'm meant to be taking an exit here before. I don't know where I'm going. I think this is going to be sound on the motorway, to be honest. I guess I'd rather it be like not bad on the motorway than too loud, and I'd be like really sad. I'm slowing down now though, not doing 60. Right. Wait to. I mean, I'm currently doing 50, just under 3,000 RPM, and you can vaguely hear it. So, that's not that bad. Ooh, it sounds quite cool in here actually. I guess it's because I'm not used to having sound when I put my foot down. It's gonna look so weird, like a normal like Lexus, like a businessman car with an exhaust on it. I've got plans to do all the bits to it. I've done them in the wrong order already, but this just happened. It just happened. So this is like a week later after actually having the exhaust done. Now in Derby, we've got some like in car parky bits that I can do some sound bits with, so you can actually hear the exhaust rather than me rambling and having some inside bits. But I'll get some clips of us driving into the shopping-y bit, I suppose, with exhaust sounds with the windows down. It's quite loudish, so I'm a lot happier with it now than I probably was in the first couple of clips. But yeah, you'll get to hear how loud it is, I suppose, then, and then I'll get some start-ups and drive-bys and whatever later on. But yeah. So as you can see there, the exhausts there look pretty similar to standard, a little bit bigger, sort of, but quite a nice sort of subtle look, as I've not really shown them off, I suppose, in the clips as of yet. But yeah, it's quite smart looking, it sounds alright. So overall, it sort of helps the car be a bit more exciting for myself rather than being a bit boring to drive. I mean, well, it's nice to drive, but it's nice to have sound as well, because car sounds make all cars fun, because brum brum and all that fun stuff. But yeah, hopefully it's been slightly informative with the video clips we've got. Hopefully it's been enough so you understand of what's going on. I guess if that makes sense. Enough clips so if you were to get an exhaust, basically do what I've done, you would understand what you're getting basically. I haven't got any flybys unfortunately because I've done most of it myself. Got a couple clips with a friend, but wasn't able to get any flybys unfortunately. But I think most of the clips I've got will demonstrate kind of the sounds and stuff. But from my personal opinion on it, it's not ridiculously loud. It's pretty like drivable as like a daily and stuff. It basically between 2,000 and 3,000 revs, it's quite loud. Not like silly loud, but like you can hear it, like it's quite deep sort of thing. But you can stay underneath too if you want to cruise around town, and it's quite nice sort of thing. So if you want it to be loud, you can. If you don't, then you'd sort of drive more sensible, I suppose. But it's nice. I think it's probably the best option to go for, other than a full light system, because it can be a bit too loud sometimes. I've seen some videos of these where they're ridiculously loud and sort of thing like that. But yeah, hopefully the clips have been interesting. The video is probably a really weird one because it's loads of chopped up bits. I've filmed this over like 3 different, well, not 3 different days specifically, but I mean there's probably been 3 different attires throughout the video of different clips, because I've just filmed this over about 2 and a bit weeks of just when I've had time really. But yeah, the start might have been a bit miserable because it's a bit dark and I couldn't really see a lot, and I wasn't able to actually capture too much of it getting done, and my reaction probably wasn't amazing because I was a bit confused by it, because it's a weird sound. I've never heard one of these in person, I've just seen videos and stuff. But as I got used to it after owning the car for a little bit longer, I do enjoy it. To be fair, I would say it's a good purchase, so I'm pleased with it. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was entertaining to watch, I'd like to say. But yeah, until next time guys, catch you later.